Hello dear friends, I am Rahul Gawande. Welcome to my channel. Dear friends, in this video we are going to start new point of chapter number 5, coordinate geometry. That point is section formula. Now first I explain you what is the section formula. Now suppose any segment is given. Name of this segment is AB, and if coordinates of point A are x1, y1, coordinates x1, y1, and coordinates of point B are x2, y2. These are coordinates. And if any point is dividing to this segment, any point, if we plot any point on segment AB anywhere, suppose I plot here and I take here P point. P point divides seg AB internally. Internally, why we are saying internally? Because point P is between A and B. That's why we say here point P divides seg AB internally. Now that point P divides in some ratio. Now we don't know what is actual in which ratio that point has divided. For that we consider here from A to P, means from AP here we consider M part, and from P to B we consider N part. Total ratio is M plus N. Total part is M plus N. But if it is asked that in which ratio, then M is to N. M is to N. Point P divides seg AB in the ratio M is to N. And if we want in which ratio, then we can find by section formula. And section formula here, coordinates of P we don't know. Let it be x, y, a, b, any here we can consider. Ratio is Mn. Okay, M is to N. Then what is section formula? Section formula is, now which coordinates we are finding? P. Coordinates of point which divides seg. We want coordinates of that. Therefore here by section formula, and section formula is P is equal to, in bracket, now what is section formula? See, M ratio of this side now, mx2 plus nx1, means here cross, mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n ratio. And by solving this we get first coordinate, means A or x coordinate we get here. Similarly, y also we want, because every point has two coordinates x and y. By putting here values we get x coordinate. Same way here, my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n, and coordinates will be given here. Coordinates will be given to you, and by putting all these values we can find coordinates of P, and this is known as section formula. You have to memorize this. Now let's start practice set 5.2. First example is based on section formula. Let's see example. Find the coordinates of point P. Divide the line segment joining the points A and B. This point P is dividing AB. Point P is in the interior. In the ratio, this is a ratio. Ratio means M is to N. These are coordinates of A and B, x1, y1, x2, y2. First let's write all that. Let A is equal to x1, y1, coordinates are -1, 7, x1, y1, A. B is equal to x2, y2, coordinates are 4, -3. Ratio is also given. And m is to n means ratio m is to n is 2:3. It means m is equal to 2, n is equal to 3. Which point divides? Point P. Therefore here we have write point P divides seg AB in ratio 2:3. And now by section formula. Therefore, by the section formula, and now we will write section formula here. We will put all values and then we get coordinates of point P. Now by section formula, I write here section formula. Point P is there. P is equal to, in bracket, mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. By solving this we get x coordinate, my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. By solving this we get y coordinate. Let's put values. All values are here. m is here 2. 2 multiplied by x2 is here 4. You have to see carefully while putting values. Plus n means 3 multiplied by x1 is -1 upon m plus n here 2 plus 3, comma. Now here m2 multiplied by y2 is here -3 plus n is 3 multiplied by y1 is 7 upon m plus n is 2 plus 3, bracket close, is equal to, in bracket, first product 4 2s are 8 plus minus 3 1s are 3 upon 2 plus 3 5, comma, plus minus 2 3s are 6 plus 3 7s are 21 upon 2 plus 3 5, bracket close, is equal to, now here 8 minus 3 5 upon 5, comma, minus 6 plus 21 15 upon 5. One more step, because these are fractions and reducible, we can reduce by 5 here. 5 ones are, we get 1, and here by 5 3s are here 3, and these are coordinates of point P. Therefore, coordinates of point P are, in bracket, 1 3. In this way, by using section formula, we can find coordinates of the point which divide the segment. Let's see example number 2. In each of the following examples, find the coordinates of point A which divides seg PQ in the ratio A is to B. Ratio is given 2:1 and coordinates of points P and Q are given. Now solution. Let which point is dividing point A? Let point A divides to which seg? Seg PQ divides seg PQ in ratio. And what is ratio? In this example, ratio is 2:1. Let point A divides seg PQ in ratio 2:1. P is equal to x1 y1. Coordinates are -3 7. Q is equal to x2 y2. Coordinates are 1 4. and A is to B ratio. This is A is to B. Now in formula we use M is to N. Therefore here M is to N is equal to 2 is to 1. This is ratio A is to B. But in formula we use Mn. That's why here we have written M is to N. 2 is to 1. By section formula. Now you know section formula. Section formula is which point is dividing? Point A. Therefore A is equal to, in bracket, mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. This is x coordinate of point A. my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. This is section formula. Now put values here. A is equal to, in bracket, m. M is 2. 2 multiplied by x2. x2 is 1. mx2 plus n. N is 1 multiplied by x1. x1 is minus 3 upon m plus n. 2 plus 1. Now here y coordinate my2 m. 2 multiplied by y2 minus 4 plus ny1. N is 1 multiplied by y1. y1 is 7 upon 2 plus 1. Now let's solve this. In bracket 2 ones are 2 plus minus minus 3 ones are 3 upon 2 plus 1 3 comma plus minus minus 4 twos are 8 plus 7 ones are 7 upon 2 plus 1 3 is equal to, in bracket, minus 1 upon 3 comma here also minus 1 upon 3, and these are coordinates of point A that divides set PQ. Now second example. Let point A divides seg PQ in ratio 3:4. Okay, now coordinates. P is equal to x1 y1 minus 2 minus 5. Here P coordinates. Here at Q. Q is equal to x2 y2. Coordinates are 4 3. This. And m is to n. Means ratio. Ratio is 3:4. Here ratio is given in the form of A is to B, but in formula we have mn. That's why we are writing m is to n. By the section formula, A is equal to, in bracket, formula mx2 plus nx1. You have to memorize formula now. Upon m plus n, my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n is equal to, put values now. M is 3 multiplied by x2 is here 4 plus n is 4 multiplied by x1 is here minus 2 upon m plus n, 3 plus 4. Now y coordinate m, 3 multiplied by y2 is here 3 plus n means 4 multiplied by y1 is here minus 5 upon 3 plus 4 m plus n is equal to, in bracket, product 4 3s are 12 plus minus minus 4 2s are 8 upon 3 plus 4 7. Here also 3 3s are 9 plus minus minus 4 5s are 20 upon 3 plus 4 7 is equal to, now 12 minus 8 4 upon 7 comma 9 minus 20 minus 11 upon 7, and these are coordinates of point A. Example number 3. Let point A divides seg PQ in ratio. Now ratio is given 1:2. P is equal to x1 y1. Coordinates are 2 6. Q is equal to x2 y2. Coordinates are -4 1. And m is to n ratio is given 1:2. This is m:n. By the section formula, section formula is A is equal to, in bracket, mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n, bracket close, is equal to, now put values, m is 1 multiplied by, see m is 1 here, x2 is here -4 plus n value is 2 multiplied by x1 is here 2 upon m plus n is 1 plus 2 comma m again 1 multiplied by y2 is 1 plus n2 multiplied by y1 is here 6 upon 1 plus 2 is equal to, in bracket, do product now, -4 plus 4 upon 3, 1 1s are 1 plus 6 2s are 12 upon 3 is equal to -4 plus 4 0 upon 3 comma 13 upon 3 is equal to 0 upon 3 0 comma 13 upon 3. These are coordinates of point A. Let's see example number 3. Find the ratio. Here ratio we have to find m:n, in which t divides. Now this t point is here and coordinates of that point are given. Solution. Let point t coordinates are -1 6 divides seg PQ in the ratio, and ratio we don't know now, therefore m:n. Okay, now formula, coordinates first. P is equal to x1 y1 is equal to -310. Q is equal to x2 y2 is equal to 6 minus 8. And which point is dividing? T, coordinates of that point are also given. Formula, T is equal to, okay, T is equal to, in bracket, mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n, bracket close. Here support you section formula. Now put values. Coordinates of t are given. -1 6 is equal to, these are coordinates of t point. M we don't know, multiplied by m as it is because we don't know, multiplied by x2 is 6 plus n value we don't know, multiplied by x1 is -3 upon m plus n we don't know as it is, comma m we don't know, multiplied by y2 is -8 plus n we don't know, multiplied by y1 is 10 upon m plus n we don't know as it is, -1 6 is equal to, now here 6m minus 3n plus minus upon m plus n, comma minus 8m plus 10n upon m plus n. Okay, m and n will be as it is because we don't know. Here minus 1 6 and here these are two values. Minus 1 is equal to value of first coordinate and 6 is the value of second coordinate, and both are equal. Therefore, we want ratio. You can take any one of the pair because both are equal. You can take this first is equal to first or second is equal to second. Now here I write minus 1 is equal to first, minus 1 is equal to first coordinate 6m minus 3n upon m plus n, and second is equal to second, 6 is equal to second coordinate minus 8m plus 10n upon m plus n. Okay, and now to find ratio, you solve any one, either this or this, because if you solve both then you will get the same answer. Therefore no need to solve both, you solve any one. I solve this now. Transfer order or cross multiplication, minus 1 into this is equal to upon 1 is here. Therefore now see here 6m minus 3n cross multiply, here is upon 1 into this 7 is equal to, and minus 1 into this sign will change here, minus 1 it will become minus m minus n, the sign will change because of this minus 1. Now bring m here and n there because ratio will be 1. 6m plus m transferred, this minus n to left side is equal to minus n, and this will go there plus 3n. 6m plus 1m 7m is equal to minus n plus 3n to n. Now we want ratio m is to n. Therefore bring n here and transfer 7 there. Therefore m here is multiply, it will upon m upon n, and 2 is already on the right side, and 7 will go there, divide, and this is the ratio. Therefore m is to n is equal to 2 is to 7. In this way we got the ratio m is to n is equal to 2 is to 7.